I decided to make a video that shows the difference between high school and university ways of drawing molecules. It's a high time to say goodbye to dots and crosses, Bohr model, and so on. Let's start with carbon monoxide. Here I found two ways it is sometimes represented, but please don't use this. They are clumsy and they are not used at university level. Dots and crosses are also often drawn. My advice is, don't use them either. First, electrons are indistinguishable, so you cannot experimentally show that this electron in carbon monoxide used to belong to carbon, and this used to belong to oxygen. But if you carry on with this analysis on paper, you will find that one of the bonds in carbon monoxide is dative. But that is not particularly useful in this case. Take ammonium ion. Nitrogen has 5 valence electrons. It needs 3 more to octet. It makes 3 bonds with hydrogens and the 4th bond is dative. However, all these 4 bonds are equally strong. So you can see there is not much point in drawing dative bonds. Moreover, if drawing dative bonds was compulsory, then it would be a real pain, because you will have to draw it all the time. Why? Because in principle, any protonation at neutral atom leads to a dative bond, and protonation is a very common step in chemical reactions. Luckily, university textbooks, especially organic textbooks, don't draw dative bonds, and neither will I. However, at the end, I would like to say something kind about dative bonds. They are sometimes useful when you want to get some specific point across. So here, for instance, I can immediately see that this molecule is a dimer. But this is more advanced topic and I'll talk about it later. So we end up with this representation. Actually, with this, because lone pairs are not drawn at the university. So anyone who loves minimalism should be satisfied.